Hi everyone, it's Lori and welcome to my channel. I hope you are all doing well today. So today I just wanted to come on and share Joey at Joey Card Maker's new digital kit for Christmas. He had just put one out. This is his Sacco one. Sorry, hold on just a second, guys. I'm trying to put my tail roller away. I had stuff out, doing stuff. You know how it goes. But yes, it is called Yuletide Cheer, and I know quite a few people have shown this already, so I'm sure you've already saw it, but this is the US letter size, and then he also has it available in the A4. So this journal kit is 27 pages. Look at how gorgeous. And I just did his background page of the holly on the back. So yeah, you see, yep, that way. Absolutely beautiful kit. So I'm not going to show you the back because they are all the same. But just a gorgeous kit. I am torn as to what to use for my cover. I had gotten some really great Christmas fabric from, where was it at? I believe it was Michael's that I had did in a haul video. But then I have some other journal covers as well, so I am just not sure yet what cover I am going to use. I'm kind of leaning using one of the holly prints that I got. I'm thinking, not sure. How beautiful. Love the stack of presents. Then you got this beautiful cake here, very faintly in the background. Absolutely love this kit, Joey. It's so beautiful. Here we got people at a party. Again, just ever so faintly in the background. And then the ephemera part. So this right here, the digital kit, I printed on the 26-pound Red River paper that I use. So you know, the type of paper that you use does make a difference in the vibrancy of your prints. And then this right here, nope, these I actually printed out on regular paper. And the reason that I did that is because these are journaling cards. Here's the front and here's the back. And you just cut it out, fold it in half, and glue it together so you have the front and back. So I thought that was going to be sturdy enough on its own. So these I did print out on the Red River paper as well. And I will also make sure to leave a link to his Etsy in the description box below. And then here we have some corner pockets and tucks and a little journaling card. There's two of these here because you can faintly see. Don't know if you can see that or not, but she does have lines going across her face. The line started, so I had to clean my print heads, of course. And then we have pockets here and tabs, full-page journaling cards, 6 small journaling cards there. And then these wonderful pockets with the tag being the heads. Absolutely love that. And then here we have small tags, T-cards, and labels. And then here we have a pocket and a journaling card and a couple of fussy cuts. And then this right here, we have front and back cover toppers, if that's what you want to use them for, or large journaling cards, a few banners, and some mini cards. And then here we have a mini envelope, some other goodies. And then these are also journal toppers. And then we have tabs, tickets, banners, and stamps. And then this right here is his Yuletide Cheer collage papers that are free on his Ko-fi. And this right here, so this is joeycardmaker.etsy.com. And it says Yuletide Cheer, this collage paper freebie kit coordinates with the main Yuletide Cheer 27-page journal kit consisting of 12 journaling pages, 1 background, and 14 ephemera pages available in his Etsy shop for A4 and US letter size, which is 8.5 by 11. And then, of course, he has his terms of use, so please respect that. So this is, look at how beautiful. Oh, absolutely stunning. And these, I love how he's done this. And then we've got this at the bottom of this one. Then this beautiful red. Oh, teal green. And then he has Yuletide Cheer December Daily as a freebie. And it just has this. I just printed out on, yep, that's the Red River paper. So these are just the days of the month. That way, if you want to use it for your December Daily, of course you could do that. And then this right here, guys, I was playing around with my new printer and the size, so I ended up with some couple of extra pages before I realized that size wasn't going to work. So those could be used in something. So that, my friends, is Joey Cardmaker's new Christmas kit. So elegant and beautiful. But this is Yuletide Cheer. And again, I will make sure to leave a link in my description box. Just hit the more or the drop down and click on that. And it'll take you right to his Etsy shop. All right. Thank you guys for joining me today. I really do appreciate it. I love you guys, and we'll see you next time. Bye-bye.